Another bad brain day. It's 40 bloody degrees today and I'm melting. It's 12:15. That's why I'm still in my pajamas. I'll try and do some Vlogmas. I'll try.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank the Lord for shower chairs. Hello, I'm alive and sitting upright and showered. Oh my god. So today's just going to be a super quick, little easy video for some other DIY gifts you can give. So, this one's a favorite of my mom's, actually. I make my own oil and it's really simple to make. So I actually grow and love using sage at home. So on lovely 41-degree days like it is today, I just snip some of my fresh herbs, tie them, hang them up outside, and they dry within like a minute. You could also use any dry herbs that you have already lying around, but just make sure they're dry, otherwise they can grow mold and you can get very sick. And then what you do is you put your little herbs into whatever glass bottles you like. Make sure that they're glass, they're not going to melt like plastic. And then you get your favorite type of oil, you put it on the stove and you simmer it, so just till it slightly gets a itty bitty bubbly, not boiling. And then you pour it into your bottles over the herbs. Now there has been some research into rancid acid, so after about 3 months of making it, the oil can get rancid and you can't smell or taste the difference, but it has been linked to some cancers. So certainly throw it out after 3 months and tell the people you're making it for, throw it out after 3 months. But it's one quick, easy, really nice, personalized gift to give. Another one, I did a video the other day on how to make some cute little gingerbread people. So you can just get a cute box. This one was $4.50 from the reject shop. I love it because it looks like a bowl. You can just get some baking paper, put it in there, put your cookies, fold over the baking paper, pop on the lid, and you're done. Isn't that cute? Again, super easy. You can personalize little gift. Another great DIY is making some succulents for people. So I bought some pretty cool looking pots. Look at this guy. And I also got some plain teacups, which I drew on with ceramic markers. I just planted some little baby succulents in there. Look at this guy. Which is super easy to do. Succulents, they're really easy. Not like other plants with this sort of roots. You can just pick them up and plop them down. And it's as simple as that. Isn't that great? Super easy. So there you go, super quick, easy DIY gifts to give the ones that you love. And if you're a bit low on energy, like I am today, they can be really easy and still personalized and from the heart. Let me know if you like doing DIY gifts, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the content that I give. There's also that little bell button that you can press and you'll get notifications every time I upload. Thanks for watching.